Hey yo, it's Chriso. I'm doing this bathroom at the moment and it's a fairly big one. That's going to be a niche for the bath. That there is the niche for the shower. That there is two footrests for whatever, you know. So we're going around. I'm up to the grouting stage. I'm grouting it at the moment, but yeah, it's about a 12 square metre bathroom. It's all the same tile, Carrara marble. It's actually porcelain, but it's a replica of the Carrara marble, but porcelain is way stronger than marble will ever be. Okay, I'll catch you soon. Bye.